Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn those Arabic letters which have same sound but are actually different from each other. We will tell about difference of those letters in this lesson as well, inshallah. Let us start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ta. Ta has two dots on top and read ta with thin sound. Ta. Ta, 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 and next one is twa. Read twa with full and heavy sound. Twa has without dot. Twa. To, 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 to. Ta has thin sound and ta has full and bold sound. To, ta, to, ta, with thin sound, and this one to, very heavy sound. To, to. Please read this to with heavy sound. How? Raise your tongue in your talent and you can make full sound in to. Ta has thin sound, to has full sound. You have to make difference between these two letters. Ta has thin sound and to has full sound. Now you can read after me. Ta, to, ta, to, ta, to, ta, to. Our next same letter is tha. Tha, very soft sound. Tha has three dots on top. You can read after me. Tha, 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 tha. Our next same letter is Seen. 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 Tha has very soft sound and Seen has whistle sound with thin sound. Seen. Seen. Tha, Seen. Seen has without dot and Tha has 3 dot on top. Please read this Tha, very soft sound, and read this Seen, whistle sound with thin sound. Seen. Tha. Our next same letter is Sod. 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 Please read this Sod with whistle sound and full and heavy sound. Sod. 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 Seen. Seen. Tha. 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 Seen. Sod. Please read this Tha with soft sound, and please read Seen with whistle and thin sound. And read this Sod with heavy sound and with whistle sound. Sod. One more time. Tha. Seen. Sod. Next one. Ha. 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 The pronouns of ha from middle part of throat. Ha. This one has very clear sound. Ha. Ha. And next one, ho. Ho. Pronouns from upper part of throat. Ho. Ho has heavy sound. Ho. Ho. Clear sound. Ha. Ho. Ha. Ho. Ha has no dot and ho has one dot on top. Ha. Ha. Ho. Ho. And next one is ha. 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 The pronouns from lower part of throat. Ha. 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 Very clear sound. Ha. 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 We have completed today's lesson. Please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days. If you have any question according to this lesson, please ask comment section below the video. We will be quick you answer inshallah. Thank you. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.
ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو إلى